Pure bean.
So you plant them purposely by the tree so they do that.
The tree is active.
Oh, that's a cool hut.
Yeah, there is coming in now. You hear the rolling?
Mm-mm.
You don't hear it?
Mm-mm. What am I hearing?
It's like you're hearing rain falling. Like a sea. They are coming in now.
The bees are coming in.
Yep. Right, and carrying in the pollen now.
So they went out for like lunch.
Like from morning and
Yeah.
coming in back.
So they're not even home yet.
Now them just start coming now. Because the flow is on now, you know. So they just start coming in now. You have to watch Domo. Domo is what you see how much are coming? That's why you see here the rolling. Boom. See this full of honey.
Full of honey.
Yeah. It's the rock.
So you do the honey here?
Yeah, you have the extract of these. These are them water. Nothing ever put in there yet. And next week,
Yeah, should I just not move when bees are around?
There's something in there. Right? Purify the water, make them keep on. But now through the flow on. Then soon suck out that thing. Yo, then soon suck out that thing. Here is an interested hive.
A what?
This one
Distressed?
is an interested hive. We use the breed queen from this box.
This is the special one.
Yeah, and everyone the breed queen from.
Oh, oh, you breed the queen from this box.
In this box. And put it right there. Because you see that one fasting going there? He's the next honey one that there. You see how much workers coming in and going out? That's how it goes. You see one thing though, these are the trays we're putting there.
Okay, the trays that go in the boxes?
Yeah, we're going in the box.
And then they just honeycomb the whole...
Now you have a foundation. We're putting in there,
the bottom.
inside. If I was up the yard there, I'll show you one of the foundation there.
Okay.
Yeah, we go walk back through there. We'll see something else. This one now.
This is the second. That's one, that,
Yeah,
and this is two.
This up here in Pitten.
A Pitney queen.
Yeah. So him make the honey. Him breed the queen. See this breed the queen? Like on one of the trading eastern ways around there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we take you up here out to the front. That's when you come for the queen, for the box. You take up here at the front, you don't have to make we lift up the front so far go over there. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. This have enough honey.
That's full up?
That's full up. You right now you as strong as you can lift up that box here. No?
Really? Because it's so heavy with honey?
We calling.
Oh man.
Yes, no man.
How do you